Hello friends, welcome in Learning Studio. In this video, we are going to learn passive voice of WH questions.
See, the first sentence is, where did you buy these books? First, let's underline subject, verb and object. What is the subject here? You is subject, buy is verb, these books is object. Now, first write WH word where, then take subject. What is the object? These books. These books. See here, did is helping verb. And you know, in passive voice, we replace do, does, did with appropriate forms of be. Here, you know, did indicates simple past tense. So we should replace this did with past form of be. Which are the past forms of be? Was and were. Was and were are the past forms of be. Here, these books is here now subject. So we should use where here, because here subject is plural. These books is plural. So we should use where. Where were these books? Okay. Now write the V3 form of buy. What is the V3 form of buy? Bought. You know, in passive voice we use past participle form of the main verb, and bought is the V3 form of buy. Now write here subject, you becomes here, write first by preposition and you here. You know, subjective case and objective case of you is the same. So our answer is, where were these books bought by you? Now let's take next sentence. First underline subject, verb, object. He is subject here, speak is verb, English is object. Write WH word as it is, how. Then take here English, object becomes subject. Here does is helping verb, and you know we replace do, does, did with appropriate form of be. Here does shows simple present tense, so use present form of be. Which are the present forms of be? Am, is, are. Here English is, you know, singular subject, so use is. Then write V3 form of speak, spoken. Then write preposition by, and here he becomes him. And our answer is, how is English spoken by him? Now third sentence is, why is Ashok plucking the flowers? Underline subject, Ashok is subject here, plucking is verb, the flowers is object. Write first WH word why. Then take these flowers as subject here, these flowers. Here is helping verb. You know, here Ashok is singular, so is there. But here these flowers, this is subject here, and subject is plural. So use plural form of is. Are is the plural form of is. So write are. Why are these flowers? Now take helping verb of be. In passive voice we write. So there is ing suffix. So take ing form of be. What is the ing form of be? Being. See, here is present participle of main verb. Take present participle form of be. And what is the present participle of be? Being. So being is there. Now write V3 form of plucking, plucked. In passive voice we use V3 form of main verb. Then write by preposition and write Ashok here. And what is the answer here? Why are these flowers being plucked by Ashok? See the fourth sentence. When will he build a house? Let's underline subject, verb and object. Here he is subject, build verb, a house object. Right? When as it is, when. Then take object here, a house. You know, will is helping verb here. Take will as it is. When will a house? Take be. You know, after modal auxiliary we use be in passive voice. So write be here. Then write V3 form of build. What is the V3 form of build? Built up. Then write subject. He becomes by him. The passive sentence is when will a house be built by him? Fifth sentence is first underline subject, verb and object. See here, writing is verb, the letters is object. Then where is subject here? See, writing is verb, the letters is object. Then where is subject here? So let's consider this who as subject. Because you know, to get a subject we ask question with who. So here let's consider this who as subject. Now here subject becomes object in passive voice. So who becomes by whom. Who becomes by whom. Then take object, the letters. Here the letters is plural subject. Is here. So take plural form of is are. Here the letters is subject here now. So take appropriate form of is. So is becomes here are. By whom are the letters? Okay. There is ing suffix to main verb. So take being. There is a present participle form of main verb. When there is ing suffix to main verb, in passive voice we take being. Then write V3 form of write, it is written. By whom are the letters being written? So we should remember, when a question begins with who, our passive voice sentence begins with by whom. Next sentence. Whose dog bit her? Here bit is verb, her is object. And here, whose dog? Let's consider this as a subject. When sentence begins with whose, we consider that word as subject. Now, whose dog becomes by whose dog. By whose dog. Then take helping verb of be. There is a past form. There is a past tense in this sentence. So, write was here, by whom was. Then her here becomes subject. Here her becomes subject. By whose dog was she, and write V3 form of bit. It is bitten. You question mark. By whose dog was she bitten. We see the seventh sentence is, what have you done? Underline subject. You is subject here. Verb. Done is verb here. Where is object then? You know, to get object, we ask question with what. So here, what is here? So let's consider what as object here. You know, in passive voice, we take object in the beginning. So take object what in the beginning? What. Here is have. Here take form of have, suitable form of have here. Here have is used for you, but for what take has form. What has. Then take verb what has been. You know, here is a V3 form of main verb. So take V3 form of be. What has been, write done as it is. Then take preposition by and write you. Give question mark. What has been done by you. See here, what is considered as object, write what here. Then appropriate form of have, has. There is a V3 form of main verb, so write V3 form of be, been. Then write V3 form of main verb. In passive voice we use V3 form of main verb. And write here subject here by you. And this is our answer. What has been done by you. Next sentence. How many mangoes did he eat? Underline subject. He is subject. Verb eat. Then what is about object? So let's consider how many mangoes as object. How many mangoes is here considered as object. So write object in the beginning. How many mangoes. Did is helping verb. Take appropriate form here for how many mangoes. Here, you know, in passive voice we replace do, does, did with forms of be. Did indicates here past tense, so use a past form of be, was or were. Here, how many mangoes, use appropriate form, suitable form for how many mangoes. Write here where. Then write V3 form of main verb, eaten. He becomes by him. Answer is how many mangoes were eaten by him. Next sentence is, how much milk do they need? Subject is they, need is verb. How much milk is object. Now in passive voice we write object in the beginning, right? How much milk in the beginning. How much milk. Do is there. Replace this do with is. Because now here how much is subject here, no? In passive sentence. How much milk is. V3 form of need, needed. They becomes by them. How much milk is needed by them. The last sentence. Which tree are they cutting? They, subject, cutting, verb, which tree, object. Take object in the beginning. Which tree. Suitable form of are is. ing suffix is there. Take being. V3 form of cut, cut. They becomes by them. Which tree is being cut by them? So in this way we can change passive voice of WH questions. Friends, today I want to refresh you. So I want to share a joke with you. I am sure you would enjoy that joke. The joke is, Chotu enters his house walking on his hands. Chotu enters his house walking on his hands. His father sees him and angrily asks, Chotu, why are you behaving so? Chotu replies, Papa, I am obeying you. Father asks, how? Chotu replies, Papa, didn't you warn me? If I fail in examination, you will not let me step inside the house. तर मित्रांनो, छोटू घरात हातावर चालत जातो. तुम्ही घरात कशावर चालत जाता बरं? पायांवर ना. छोटू घरात हातावर चालत जातो. हे पाहून त्याला वडील रागाने विचारतात, असं का वागायला असतो? छोटू म्हणतो, पप्पा, मी तर तुमच्या आज्ञेचं पालन करतोय. वडील म्हणाले, ते कसं काय? छोटू म्हणतो, पप्पा, तुम्हीच नव्हती का मला तंबी दिली की मी जर परीक्षेत नापास झालो तर तुम्ही मला घरात पाय ठेवू देणार नाहीत म्हणून?